Okay. This is a train that's going from Mumbai to Indore. The Avantika Express, Mumbai to Indore. It leaves at 1905. No, 1910. And gets in at 21:15. So it's about a 14-hour trip. It's about 840 kilometers all in all. It's an overnight train. As you see, Bombay is quite dark now. Just walking up to the front of the train to see if I can see the engine and what it is. For all my train spotting fans out there. These are the sleeping carriages. It is effectively a sleeper train. My God, it's a big thing. This is a huge train. I don't think I'm going to get to the end of this. Okay, I'm going to run because okay, right, let me actually in front of this one. Put the longest possible you can see the front of this one, whatever that is. Right, guys. Okay. Okay. I can't reach the end of this train. Okay. Oh my God. Well, I can't see the engine because it looks like it's a very, very, very long train. And now I've got to get back to the front of the train. That's where my back of the train is leaving. 4 minutes. But there's general sleepers. I remember travelling on them many, many years ago when I was a child from Calcutta to Delhi. A 2-day train journey with no air conditioning, in the heat, wooden, no padding. Okay. Avantika Express. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Avantika Express, platform क्रमांक 1 वर संध्याकाळी 7
I've never seen a train this long in my life. Oh, it's like, I don't even know if I was going to get there. there, we'll get there. I heard it's a reliable train. Made it. Oh man.
I want to go to the toilet to do a petrol.
Go, 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 go.
I said to the guy here that I'm